Thank you for attending our production.
Yeah. Word up.
Well, hey, thanks for dropping in today. We got this full view door here. As you can see, the horizontals are pretty close to the sidewalls. Door goes up a little bit. It's got a tad bit of high lift, not much, but I mean, it goes straight up before it curves back, so that eliminates the trolley. So our best bet was to climb up in here and cut the wall out. And you can see as we cut the wall out, we had to trim this off and cut out 2x6 up here. As you can see, now it fits.
That's so cool.
Super tight. But we got it in there.
Right on.
So we're gonna finish up with all the other small things and adjust this door. Adjust those big boy springs. All right, we're gonna get after it.
Roger that.
Alrighty, we got it all hooked up and running. We're gonna clean the wires up and frame out this opening, make it look a little nicer. But yeah, that was a super tight install. So here we go. All right, thanks for following along today, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Peace out. Hey, you know you're kind of famous on...
Oh yeah, that's right.